Mind to Money. Day 1. Voiceover script. Hey money makers. Welcome to Mind to Money, your ultimate guide to making money fast and smart. Did you know 90% of people struggle financially because they follow outdated money rules? Today, I'll show you a simple trick to start making money online today. Step 1. Find your skill: writing, designing, social media, anything. Turn it into cash fast. Step 2. Pick a platform: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Thousands are earning here. Step 3. Make your profile shine, professional, clear, and show your portfolio. Step 4. Start applying. Short, confident proposals win. Remember, consistency beats talent. Work daily, even 30 minutes, and see your money grow. Bonus tip: don't wait, start today. Every big journey begins with one small step. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tomorrow, we reveal the fastest way to make $500 online, legally. Mind to Money, where your ideas meet cash. See you tomorrow.